guys, and today we're making crab rangoons. And here are our ingredients. These are wonton wraps, an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. This is just a sauce we'll be eating with the rangoons. This is crab meat, an 8-ounce pack of crab meat, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 4 pieces of green onion. Let's get started. Our first step, we're going to wash off our imitation crab meat before we cut it. Next, we're going to pat it off and move it to the cutting board. Next, we're going to cut it as fine as you can. And cut it real fine like this. I'm going to get finished cutting up the imitation crab meat, and I'll be back in a little bit, you guys. Welcome back, you guys. Now that we've cut the imitation crab meat, this is what it should look like. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our cream cheese and put it in the bowl, and we're going to whip it so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to use the whipped wire mixer. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 5 pieces of green onion. We're going to add half of that, well, almost all of it. Next, what we're going to do is add our imitation crab meat. Next, we're just going to and that's what it should look like when you get done mixing it. Now I'm going to lay out my wax paper. Get our wonton noodles. Wraps and lay it out. Lay a few of them out. We're going to start with 4. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is crack our egg. And all you need is the egg yolk. That's the only part you need. And we're going to use that to just brush it and keep them together. Okay. Now we're going to start rolling out the crab rangoon. We're going to just put a scoop in the middle of all of these. Next, we're going to brush the edges. Then just fold it over. Okay. Next one we're gonna do is we're gonna get them ready for the air fryer. And you're gonna spray the air fryer a little. And you're just gonna set them down in there. Make sure you spread them out. Then we're just gonna give it a little spray. And we're gonna pop it in the air fryer for 8 minutes. And we're gonna put the air fryer on, put it on 390, and put it on 8. And we'll see you guys back in a few minutes. Welcome back, you guys. And I stopped the air fryer on 5 minutes, and this is what it should look like. Crab Rangoons. I'll be back. I'll see you guys back in a few minutes so I can set my plate. Thank you.